Alright, everyone. So, I have some good news about the Atomos Ninja Flame. It's found a new home. She will be the new resident of Provision Studios with her little imperfections and all. The seller on eBay was magnificent. Responded to my message immediately. Accepted my offer for what I, he made an offer. I made a counter offer. He accepted immediately. It was all agreed on within 5 minutes, literally. I can't say anything negative at all. First off, I received the flame more than a week early than what the original time frame said when I purchased the Ninja on auction. Then, like I said, the seller he responded to my initial message within 30 minutes of me sending the message, and then after that, our back and forth, within 5 minutes, it was resolved. Easily one of the best transactions I've ever had on eBay, with or without any discrepancy in the transaction. And I mean that. I mean, I know I was worried for a little bit, but it wasn't because of the flame. This thing, as I said in my initial post, this thing was setting it up, dropping in my hard drive. Everything about this has been what you would want. And then the seller made the transaction everything I would have wanted, to the point where I got this for more than half of what a brand new one would cost. An outstanding deal. I got this for under $400. Wow. So yeah, the cracks are you can't discount that. I mean, it does have cosmetic issues here on top, but the seller made good on that. He was very apologetic. He was sincere, because it wasn't just words. Because when he made an offer, and then I said, well, that's not really going to be good enough, and I made a counter offer, he was like, absolutely, man. Someone that was just trying to sort of save their face would have been like, they would have come back with something snappy, like, oh, what are you, some kind of, you trying to get something for free or whatever. The guy, the person, I don't know if it was a male or female, the person that I bought it from went above and beyond, and that's worth 5 stars to me. They stood behind their product, they stood behind their statement, and they made good to the point where they were willing to make me more than satisfied. They went above and beyond. So thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for what you did here. Good job. I am a very satisfied customer. One thing I found out, and I'm going to try this out. Let me see, can I do it now? Okay. I'll know when I get this into the computer, but when I had the DC adapter in, there was a buzz in the audio feed. I'm not sure if that is because I had it back here on this back wall plugged in. So now I have it plugged into a power strip on the other side of the studio. It could be that the noise was coming from this outlet here. This is not the best outlet in the studio. It was just right here. So I'm gonna find out if there's something with that power brick. Anyway, this was a very great end to what I thought for a minute might have been a very bad situation. I am looking forward. It's showing me some drop frames on my SSD. Wow. HDD, ProRes HQ had no issues at all, and now my SSD just showed a shooting error, or like it dropped frames. Huh. Alright. We'll keep our eye on that. I wonder if it was when I plugged in the DC unit, if that had an effect on it. Alright, I just turned it on the DC and turned the batteries off. Interesting. Alright, so I'll be putting this thing through the paces in the next couple days. My initial review again is that this thing looks like it's going to be a phenomenal addition to the studio, certainly to this camera. It's too soon for me to sit there and give a full review because I haven't done anything with it yet. In the next couple days, I'll be running this through the paces, seeing what we got going on. If anyone out there has any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Email me at bbuck822@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to be interspersing. I've got 3 cameras running right now. I've got the AX53 as my B cam, sort of capturing an overhead shot of what I got going on here with the flame. I'm also double capturing what I'm shooting through the lens. So the G50 is recording the footage, and then also the flame is recording in ProRes 422. So I've got all 3 recording, and I'm going to see what what that looks like. Obviously, I'll be down sampling the ProRes footage, but I'm wondering how it would look on a just a standard timeline. All right, again, great end to a good day. Thank you again to the seller. If you're on YouTube and you watch this video, please know that I really do appreciate your willingness to work with me on this transaction and making it one where I think we both win. I went right on eBay and left a glowing review because again, this person went above and beyond. Really showed me that what they were talking, they were also willing to walk it. So great job there. All right, more to come. Hope everyone has a wonderful evening. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye now.